Did you know less than 15 homes came on the market in Manchester last year with an ADU or an accessory dwelling unit? Well, lucky for you, here's another one. Welcome to 31 Flagstone Terrace in Manchester, New Hampshire. This home, built in 2004 by Bob Carr, has 4 bedrooms and 3 three-piece bathrooms in the main house and is a little over 2,300 square feet. It also has 3-car garage. Above the 3-car garage is a legal ADU, and in New Hampshire, that's an accessory dwelling unit. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath with a full kitchen. It also has an open concept living and dining room and an elevator. Come on, I'll show you around. Your formal dining room opens up to your eat-in kitchen. Every time I walk into this kitchen, I just love how much light there is. It's so beautiful, and the all-wood maple cabinetry. There is just so much storage in here. And of course, we're in the granite state, and you have to have your granite countertops. And these gorgeous green granite countertops are just beautiful. And of course, throughout the entire home, it's been updated to all maple wood flooring, and that's top to bottom. And of course, you also have your 4-piece stainless steel appliance suite and your beautiful subway tile backsplash. This kitchen is so big, I had to flip the camera to show you that you can put an entire table here for your eat-in kitchen, and your kids can actually get their homework done while you're making them dinner. Don't forget all this extra storage space and the door to your 3-car garage. Welcome to the heart of the home, your family room. It's spacious, it has cathedral ceilings and a ceiling fan, and this gorgeous fireplace was just installed in 2021. Beautiful stone surround. This is where you'll spend most of your time in this home. The name of the game in real estate right now is flex space. This first floor bedroom could be a bedroom or home office. All 3 bathrooms in the house feature 3-piece bathrooms with showers, and the first floor also features a laundry room. Welcome to your spacious primary with a walk-in closet, every gal's favorite feature, and an ensuite bathroom. The second floor also features a 3-piece guest bathroom and 2 large additional bedrooms. And just so you can have ultimate street cred, an elevator. Welcome to your 1-bedroom, 1-bath ADU. In the state of New Hampshire, that stands for Accessory Dwelling Unit. This space has it all: its own private entrance from the outside and a full kitchen. It also has a 3-piece bathroom with laundry hookup. You know that an ADU can increase the value of your home by 35%? They've become so popular because they serve so many purposes. Whether your parents are aging and need a place to stay, or perhaps you have a home business and you need an office space to run your business, or perhaps you have a child that just graduated from college and they need somewhere to stay while they start their professional career. Or how about young parents that want somewhere to raise their child and they need that extra help with childcare? The possibilities are endless, but the best part about this ADU is it's already ready to go and it's built for you. This bedroom is so beautiful, light and airy with vaulted ceilings. It easily fits a king-size bed. You have these gorgeous windows, plenty of room for extra furniture, and the walk-in closet is a really nice touch. Basement has plenty of storage and a bulkhead for walkout access. Here's a couple quick facts about the neighborhood. So we are 0.2 miles from the Rockingham Rail Trail. It's a 25-mile rail trail that goes from Manchester all the way to Newfields, New Hampshire. Thanks for touring this home with me. My name is Stephanie Saunders. I'm with Key Team at Leading Edge Real Estate. You can reach me at 978-641-1114 or sellyourhousewithsteph@gmail.com.